Hello guys, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video I want to show you how to buy LUFFY INU token on Trustwallet. But before we start, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. First, I want to tell you that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy LUFFY INU token on Trustwallet. Okay, let's start. So let's begin. First we need to go to CoinMarketCap and check the analytics of this coin. Click the search bar and type LUFFY INU. Open this token. You can see the charts here. You can see it's growing and growing. So whether you buy or whether you not, it's up to you guys. You should make the decision, and after you make the decision, then close CoinMarketCap, and now you need to open Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free. And after you download, you can then go through verification. After you go through verification, then open Trustwallet. And now you need to have Ethereum on your Trustwallet. To buy LUFFY INU token, you need to swap your Ethereum to it. So if you don't have Ethereum on your Trustwallet, you should buy it on Trustwallet, or you can just send it from any other crypto markets. You should click receive, copy this wallet address and send it from any other markets. So guys, after you will have Ethereum on your Trustwallet, then go back to CoinMarketCap and scroll a little bit down. Here you can see the contract address. You should click the copy icon and copy this contract address. Then go back to Trustwallet, click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Uniswap. Click select the token, paste the contract address we copied a few seconds ago. Click import. Then choose amount of LUFFY INU token and then swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.